Let's learn about animals. From the jungle to your backyard. Animals are everywhere. Wild animals. These animals live in forests, jungles, and savannas. I am lion, the king of the jungle. I am elephant. I have big ears, long trunk. I am tiger, striped and powerful. I am zebra. I have black and white stripes. I am giraffe. I am the tallest land animal. I am a monkey. I swing in trees and I love bananas. Domestic animals, pets and farm animals. Animals that live with us or on farms. I am a dog, loyal and playful. I am cat, soft and purry. I am a cow who gives us milk. I am a sheep, covered in fluffy wool. I am a horse, strong and fast. I am a chicken. I lay eggs. Water animals, animals that live in oceans, rivers, or lakes. I am fish and I swim with fins. I am dolphin, smart and friendly. I am an octopus and I have 8 arms. I am a crab and I walk sideways. I am a shark and I have big teeth. Also a super swimmer. I am a turtle, slow and steady swimmer. Birds, feathered friends that can fly, most of them. I am a parrot. I talk and love colors. I am an eagle who flies very high. I am a penguin who can also swim. Yes, I am a bird. I am an owl and I hoot at night. I am a peacock and I love to show off my fancy tail. I am a duck and I swim in ponds. Reptiles and amphibians. Cold-blooded creatures, many with scales or slimy skin. I am a frog and I love to jump. I am a snake and I slither and hiss. I am a lizard and I am fast and scaly. I am a crocodile and I have big jaws. Also, I live near water. I am a turtle and some of us live on land too.